How to maintain a lead-acid battery. Step 1. Check for damage and oxidation on the cables and connectors. Step 2. Check whether the battery acid level is high enough. If not, top up with demi-water until the plates are submerged. Step 3. Spray the battery cleaner over the battery. When the dust on the battery is dry, you need less. When you see that the dust is already damp, you need more. The damp spots are caused by acid fumes that are created during charging. If the battery cools down after charging, these vapors settle on the battery. Step 4. Clean the battery with an absorbent cloth. Clean well between the filler caps and cell connectors. We recommend doing this once every 2 weeks if dust quickly forms on the battery, to prevent leaking voltage. Tip: to make it easier, we recommend that you note the maintenance date on a sticker on the battery. Step 5. Admire the end result of your hard work and be proud of yourself.